Hello guys, I know you have wore a lot of Air Jordans these days. Air Jordans are trending right now, but if you want something else other than Air Jordan that you want to see, today I'm gonna show you that. So make sure to subscribe to Sweaty Gaming guys and like this stream. Let's get started without wasting any time. Let's go. So this is the new Puma MB.02. These are the greatest sneakers of Puma of all time. These are really cool, and look at the packaging guys. These are really good, and I will show you all the details of this. I will even put the link in the description also guys for these shoes if you want to buy, and also the name, like wherever you want to go for a store or anywhere. I bought it from the store by the way, because I want to correct my size. And look at the shoes guys, look at them. They are pretty amazing. I cannot believe guys, after wearing it, how much cool you are gonna look. So look at the shoes guys, look at this one side, the green lace, the golden touch, and the side guys. In the front, as you can see, the golden touch is there. In the other shoe, it is a different guys. They both are not going to be the same. Both the shoes are going to be a little bit different. We have also the, as you can see, green and pink lace combination. Look at these guys, look at these from the left, from the right, from the top. And these are pretty cool shoes. After you wear it, these are gonna look aesthetic to you. And look at this one, as you can see, the golden touch is there, the pink in from the left guys. Look at this from the left. From the back, it's written mellow, as it is completely, I told you, the sign is also there of the mellow, of the Puma sign. From the side, it is so shiny guys, so much shiny. And as you can see, this is the shoe of the right side. From the left, we have this pink lace shoes that has purple in its front and a little bit dark blue in the center and pink laces. From the left, you can also see this, and it's look pretty good as well. From the back, we have the mellow at pink and also the sign. From this is its right view, and now I'm gonna show you how it looks from the right side guys. Look at this, completely insane. Look at its bottom guys, look at it, how these shoes look from the bottom. These are pretty much, except guys, rare. Yes, these deserve to be rare. One of the best shoes from Puma. If you are like, I am a big Nike Adidas fan, but I like these shoes from Puma. These were something new and something amazing as well. These were pretty great. I will post the thing, everything in the description for you guys, but make sure to please like and subscribe the channel guys, and I will be showing you more and more things for you guys. So please don't go anywhere, like and subscribe the channel guys, and we'll see you in the next video.
What do you see?